Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into a common problem that many users face when trying to drag and drop images from websites to their local folders. The issue revolves around the ability to save some images, while others pose a challenge. You might be wondering, why is this happening and what's the reason behind it? In comes the solution to our problem. The root cause lies in the file names of the images. The first image, hosted on SE, has a shorter file name compared to the second image from Telegram CDA. The lengthy file name of the second image exceeds the allowed limit in certain browsers, such as Chrome, which results in a file name syntax error when attempting to drag and drop it. Even though right-clicking and saving the image works fine, the drag and drop function gets tripped up by the file name length. Unfortunately, Chrome lacks a feature similar to the Save dialog's file name shortening, leaving users in a bit of a pickle. Overall, the key takeaway here is to be mindful of file name lengths when working with images from different sources. It's fascinating to see how such a small detail can lead to a hiccup in our daily browsing activities. And with that, we've uncovered the mystery behind the drag and drop dilemma. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, happy browsing!